How to download Instagram Reels in iPhone shortcut. So the step are so simple to follow. After you open up your iPhone, all you have to do now, I will leave the link for you in the description. Just tap on the link in the description that I gave you. All you have to do now, after you tap on the link, it will take you to this website as you can see now. So it will take you to this website. After you come to this website, all you have to do now, just tap on this as you can see now, download shortcut, this one. So tap on this open button. So now allow it to finish loading. After it finishes loading, now tap on this setup shortcut. So in this session, all you have to do now, tap on this as you can see now, next button. So after you tap on this next button as you can see now, all you have to do now, tap on this as you can see now, add shortcut again. So as you can see now, tap on this add shortcode. Now I already have the shortcode, that's why it just gave me this option. So I'll just tap on this replace button. So now I added the shortcode on my iPhone. So all you have to do now go back to your Instagram and look for the video you want to download. So I'll just go ahead and open my Instagram app. So after you open up your Instagram app, let's say now I wanted to download, let's say like this video. So now I want to download this video. All you have to do now, you can tap on this share button, After you tap on the share button, as you can see now, you can tap on this share again. As you can see now, share and share again. So after you tap on the share twice, now scroll to down. So now you can tap on this section. As you can see now, here is it now, this one, R download, tap on this section. So after you tap on the R download, as you can see now my video has started downloading. Tap on this allow button now. So now my video has started downloading. I'll just wait it to finish downloading now. So now my video has finished downloading. Now I'll go back and open my gallery section. So just go ahead and search for photos on your iPhone. Photos. Here is it now. Tap on this photos, that's gallery. So after you open up your gallery, as you can see now, here is the video that I just downloaded, this one. Now I downloaded this video without any watermark on my iPhone using shortcut. That's it guys on how to download Instagram video in iPhone with shortcut. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.